Why is Trump's Iran deal decision causing fear among Missouri communities? The ripple effects of this choice go far beyond politics, threatening safety and economic stability in surprising ways. Trump's decision to withdraw from the Iran nuclear deal reignited tensions between the U.S. and Iran. Missouri, home to several military bases and defense contractors, worries about becoming a target or facing fallout from potential conflicts. Residents fear that escalated tensions could bring instability closer to home, with concerns about missile attacks or cyber threats that could affect critical infrastructure in their communities. Missouri's economy is deeply tied to international trade, including agricultural exports like soybeans and corn. The reimposition of sanctions on Iran disrupted these markets, causing uncertainty for farmers and manufacturers. Companies that relied on Iranian markets or global supply chains faced financial strain, sparking fears of job losses and economic downturn in communities that depend on these industries for their livelihood. The decision polarized opinions across Missouri, where political views vary widely. Some see the withdrawal as a strong stance for national security, while others worry it undermines diplomacy and peace efforts. This division creates social friction, with communities split on how best to protect their future. The fear isn't just external threats, but also internal conflict over the direction of U.S. foreign policy. Trump's Iran deal decision ripples through Missouri with fears touching security, economy, and community unity. These unexpected local impacts show how global policies reach into everyday lives. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and stay informed with us.